Berkshire Hathaway taking a new stake in Alphabet.
Warren Buffett is buying Google. I just sold it. I want to invite you in the mind of a contrarian investor. This time, not only I will show you my love story with Google, but more importantly, I will reveal the 3 reasons why I decided to sell all my Alphabet position last week. My name is Adri, I've been investing for 20 years. I share my opinion on YouTube because I have something different to say. Everybody's buying Google, holding Google, I'm selling. Check it out.
I believe that today Google is my biggest winner in my portfolio, and I haven't sold a single share.
That Google is in an incredible position, which is why Google is a huge part of my portfolio, which is why I've been saying that Google is undervalued.
So I would definitely say hold your winners here. That's what I'm doing. I'm holding my Google stock.
So as of now, I continue to hold all my shares. I'm glad to have it as my top position.
I don't understand. This is so mainstream, so boring. For me, the moment of buying was 8 months ago. I sold my Celsius position and I bought 200 shares of Google, aiming to ride it at least at 230 or even higher. I bought 50 shares more of Google at 169. Google is the most undervalued stock in the market. Looking at the company, there are reasons to believe that the shares are going to $300. If we catch this movement, there are a lot of money to be made. I know, it's not elegant to show that I was right, but I was right. Come on, 35,000 in profit, let's go! So, why did I sell now? Reason number 1, valuation. Let's check my value chart. It's an improved forward PE ratio. The lower the number, the cheaper the company. Alphabet for a very long time was trading around this area. A multiple of 11, 12 was really cheap. It's very rare to see a top quality company like Alphabet with many different revenue streams from search, cloud, Waymo, DeepMind, YouTube, trading at this low valuation. But over the last 8 months, valuation went higher and higher, and it's currently almost at 20 in my 5 years projection chart. It's not the cheapest Magnificent 7 anymore. In my opinion, Amazon, Meta, Microsoft offer better value than Google right now. It's not overpriced. The valuation is not extreme, it's reasonable, but it's in the high side of fair value. Is it the best value for my money? Is it better than Novo Nordisk, for example? Guys, please comment nice chart Adri and leave a like. I spend a lot of time making these videos and I really need some positive feedback. Thank you. Can you believe it? Most people don't click like. If you did, you are a contrarian, you are the best. Reason number 2, sentiment. Hype is rising. Have you noticed that in the last 2 months, we only got good news about Google?
They introduced Gemini 3, which is being widely applauded. And there you go, okay, we're able to defend against OpenAI. And now the unthinkable, they're actually have the ability to challenge NVIDIA's GPU chips.
Oh, I thought you were going to say the unthinkable that Berkshire added a stock like that.
$4.9 billion, yeah.
Last week, we had another moment, this time from Google, which unleashed a new version of its own Gemini generative AI platform. The leap is insane. Reasoning, speed, images, video, everything is sharper and faster. It feels like the world just changed again.
When I bought, the mood was very different. The mainstream media was talking about the Department of Justice forcing Google to sell Chrome and ChatGPT destroying search. In 6 months, the storytelling completely flipped. Now the news is how great Gemini 3 is, how orgasmic Nano Banana is, how Google TPU will compete with Nvidia, and of course how Warren Buffett, the greatest investor of all time, is finally buying Google even though it's a tech stock. If you want to be a real contrarian investor, you must buy when the sentiment is depressed and everybody's fearful, and sell when there is hype and a lot of great news and everybody's positive. Lately for Google, there were a lot of great news and positive sentiment. Reason number 3, I needed the money. I wanted to buy other companies, but I didn't have the capital available. Novo Nordisk, Molina, Duolingo, for example. I also want to have liquidity in case of a big correction is coming. Companies like Meta, Amazon, Salesforce, Adobe are already trading at very interesting prices. If they keep crashing, I want to have the cash ready to buy. It's always tough to sell a great company like Google at fair valuation, but I believe the best part of this upward move is done already. The question is, am I too early? Well, clearly yes. I sold it at my $300 target, $299 to be precise, and it's already at $320. Google might keep going higher, but I don't believe it will double again next year. Novo Nordisk instead? It might. Don't you think that in 26 Novo will outperform Google? I admire Warren Buffett and his 370 billion cash pile. Do you know that 30% of Berkshire portfolio is in cash? I like to think that even if I'm doing the opposite trade of Warren, it's because I also want to have 30% in cash while the S&P trades at such high valuations. It's a good moment to have a lot of cash. I mean, when it isn't, right? That's all for today. If you want to know why I like Novo so much, I sold Google in order to buy it, watch this video. If you prefer to know my insurance bet, watch this other one. Thank you for staying until the end. You are the best. Peace out.